What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing another video on does it really work. And this is something that I saw on Instagram again, and what we're going to be testing is this slime. I ordered it through an Instagram ad like usual, and it is from Korea Post, so it came all the way from Korea. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to put it to the test. Pretty much you just stick it on anywhere where there's dirt or grime in your car, and it's supposed to just pick it right up. I don't know if this slime's any type of special compared to another slime that you would make by yourself, but we're going to put it to the test.
And also a note, we don't usually keep our cars this dirty, but we've been planning for this video, so like every crumbs and stuff I would see in my car, like, oh, I gotta clean that, but I'm not gonna touch it because I need to wait for this video. So
Yes sir.
my car has been really dirty for the past couple weeks, and it's been bugging the hell out of me. And I'm happy today we'll finally put this thing to the test to see if it works, because I don't like my inside of my car dirty.
Yeah. So we're gonna test it on the inside of his car, and then I have some suede fabric in my car, and we're gonna be also testing it on the suede fabric to see if it works on that, or to see if it works on anything at all. So see what we got here.
I can't really see it bubbling.
Yo, I have no idea what's going on in this right now. Oh, what is this?
Oh, let me read that real quick.
Yo, why am I scared? What is this? Alright guys,
I can't read this at all. If anyone could translate the back of this, could you guys let us know?
I don't know if this is in Chinese, Japanese, Korean.
I assume Korean since it came from Korea, but I guess
I
guess maybe you have
I
to
don't
mix
know
this
if you guys could see that, but
maybe you
there's directions on the back, but I can't read it.
Let's try this out.
So we're gonna maybe try and translate this and see what this says.
Alright guys, so it's time to open this up. We're gonna have a good time. To open up. I lost it. It's only how much Korean I know. Alright, let's see what we got. Gonna pull that seal.
It's better not make a mess everywhere. Ew.
I'm gonna come out of the bag. Alright, I have to rip the bag. SpongeBob?
Yeah, that's nasty.
Okay, at least it doesn't smell like. So now that we have this beautiful thing in our hand, let's see. Alright, I'm gonna bring it to my least favorite part first. Alright, just throw that in.
What is this? Is disgusting.
This is hideous. I'm not gonna lie though, it actually worked. It's working, I think.
How do you clean it? I don't know.
You don't clean it. Alright. Well, the stuff's on here. It's a little cleaner down there. Okay, I mean, I guess that's not terrible. Alright, let's try another spot. Let's try in the shifter. So that's up in there. Let's see. Oh, doctor. Alright. Try this end. Okay, I mean, it is picking up stuff.
It also said that you can get the dust.
Yeah, it says you can take off dust. Could you get a good angle of the dust?
Yeah, I think that looks alright.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. Yeah, you got the dust. Alright, let's try another bigger compartment on my car. We'll try that. Now we have another pretty dirty part. Just throw that guy in there, flop it in. Nice. Look at that. There's the aftermath. Some paint particles from my old bumper, some dirt. But I'm not gonna lie, it's working pretty good. I just want to see if after we use it on my car, if we could take it over to Chris's car, it'll still be just as good. As you look here, it's pretty dirty, but it's doing pretty good.
Yo, honestly, I think it worked. Like, this is pretty clean. Like, this is pretty nice.
Like, you definitely have to go over it again. Like, I don't know if this like defeats the purpose of a vacuum, but it says it works. Their commercial said it works. It does work pretty good. But I don't know what would make you want to use this over a vacuum or something. But this does do pretty good of a job, not gonna lie. But we're gonna test it over on the Genesis now too, see what it can do. Alright, let's see how Chris likes this stuff. So now we're over in my car, and I have this suede material here, which this stuff doesn't really like to come out. So I'm gonna see if this slime will actually work on the suede. So, let's see what we got here. I hope it's not gonna ruin the suede. We'll figure it out. It doesn't seem to be working on the suede. But let's go over here. Yo, this stuff feels gross. But it does maybe kind of seem to be working on like my shift boot. With the stuff, more stuff coming off of it. I mean, it's working. I just don't know if this would like defeat the purpose of using a wet paper towel.
So, I would have to say yes, this stuff does work.
Thumbs up from me too.
But like, how practical is it? It's like, are you gonna keep buying slime every time you wanna clean your car? I mean, maybe. I don't know, but like, after like we did his car and my car, this thing is pretty gross. Like I don't even want to touch it anymore. But yes, it does work for the most part. It doesn't make it 100%, but yes, it does serve its purpose.
100%. It's like the video said, like it picks up stuff. It was good in the hard to reach places, like where you can't fit a vacuum, where you can't fit a paper towel or microfiber. So it's slime. But like, and when you're cleaning it up, the stuff does stick to it. Besides when Chris was doing it on the suede, because the suede's like a very fabricated material.
Yeah. So
it's like the suede's pulling back off the particles from the slime. But I liked it. It's different. It worked. I had a good time using it.
That's cool. For sure. Yeah.
It was a pretty good time. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, but unfortunately I don't have the link for this because it was on some ad through Instagram. So I'm sorry guys, but if you guys come across some ad on Instagram that's this kind of slime, and go for it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
but also I'm gonna try to find this company. If I could happen to find it, I'll get in contact with them, asking if there's ways to reuse it, if we have to throw it out. But pretty much it was a pretty valid product. It was fun to shoot, and if you guys see it, it definitely does work. So if you want to use slime for a good time, ooh, that rhymed, look at that. But if you want to use the slime for your car, it's pretty good.
So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace
Out, guys.